Greeting dear children, we are doing very simple exercise, that is probability. I hope you are enjoying and you are feeling very comfortable with this. It is here in this question number 6. Marks out of 100 are given. This is the example 7 of page 251. Data is to be taken from there. I have written here. Marks out of 100 in maths are given for the students and number of students of different category are given. Total students are 90. We are to find what is the probability that less than 20% marks are scored by the students. Probability is number of favorable events by total number of events. तो less than 20% marks वाले कितने students हैं? यहाँ पे 20% से 30% है, इससे less. तो इसका मतलब 0 से 20%. कितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं? 7. तो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ लेस देन 20% इज 7 आउट ऑफ कितने में से? आउट ऑफ 90. तो 7 आउट ऑफ 90. नो कैंसिलेशन इज पॉसिबल, सो दिस इज आंसर. व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट द स्टूडेंट गेट्स 60% और अबव मार्क्स? 60% और अबव माना उसके नंबर 60 से 70 भी हो सकते हैं एंड 70 एंड अबव भी हो सकते हैं. तो यहां से लेकर ये वाले सारे मार्क्स, तो 15 प्लस 8 अपॉन 90 दैट इज 23 अपॉन 90. सो दिस इज आंसर. तो आंसर 1 7 by 90 and answer 2 23 by 90. Next question is, it is also to be taken from previous exercise, exercise 14.2. This is question number 2. There are number of engineers living in some area and distance of workplace and residence is given, and we have to find number of engineers living less than 7 kilometer. And it is seen from the table only. I have to use that table. This is here. This is exercise 14.2, question number 2. We have to search from here less than 7 kilometer. This 5, 3, 2, less than 7 kilometer again 3, 6, 5. So we have to count this 2 and 3. So these are total 9. Number of engineers living less than 7 kilometer are 9. So what is the probability that engineers are living less than 7 kilometer? 9 out of 40, because survey is made on 40 engineers. So 9 by 40. No cancellation possible. So answer, probability that engineer live more than 7 kilometer. या वो 7 किलोमीटर से लेस में रहते थे या 7 और मोर देन 7. तो इसका मतलब टोटल इंजीनियर्स यही है. ये दोनों म्यूचुअली इंडिपेंडेंट काइंड ऑफ इवेंट्स है. तो एक में 9 आ गए तो बाकी में कितने आ रहे हैं? आप 5 से भी टेबल से भी चेक कर सकते हो. 40 minus 9 is 31. दोनों तरीके से आंसर एक आ रहा है, चाहे हम वहां से चेक करें या फिर 30 minus 9 कर दें, तो सॉरी 40 minus 9 कर दें तो आंसर आ गया 31 by 40. नेक्स्ट इज प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट इंजीनियर्स लिव विद इन हाफ किलोमीटर. विद इन हाफ किलोमीटर माना 0 से 1 किलोमीटर से कम होना चाहिए, ऐसा कोई डिस्टेंस नहीं दे रखा. तो आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? 0 out of 40, that is equal to 0. So they are the 3 parts in this question. So question number next 2, 9 and 10 are the activities. So that will be done later yourself only. Question number 11, weight in the wheat flour bags is given in kilogram. Although on all the bags it is written 5 kilogram, and actually the weight in them is 4.97, 5.05, this and this. There are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bags I have written. So I have missed something. 4.97, 5.05, 5.08, 5.03. I have missed 5.03. So we have to find the probability that bag has more than 5 kilogram of flour. This only 2 are there which are having less than 5. Rest all are more than 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 7 bags are there because we have to only consider more than 7. So 5 more than 5 kilogram. तो 5 किलोग्राम वाले भी और 5 से लेस वाले भी छोड़ने होंगे. चेक कर ले. 1, 2, 3 और 4 छोड़ दिए तो टोटल कितने आ गए? 7/11. This is the answer. Probability that bag has more than 5 kilogram wheat flour, that is equal to 7/11. Right? Now this question is again from 14.2 exercise. Table is to be taken from there. I have made for you. Now we have to find the concentration of SO2 in parts per million and number of days. Total number of days given are 30 and we have to find the concentration of if concentration lies between 0.12 to 0.16. We have to see how many days are there when the concentration is between 0.12 to 0.16. Answer is 2. 2 out of कितने total observations है? कितने number of experiments है? 30. Trials, experiment, एक ही बात होती है. तो आंसर आ गया 1/15. I hope you have understood. Now we are on the last part of this exercise. Blood group is given and number of students are also given. This is the first question of 14.2 exercise. O blood group वाले वहाँ हमने स्टडी किया. 12 लोग थे. A वाले 9, B वाले 6 और AB वाले 3. We are to find what is the probability that the child has AB blood group. AB blood group वाले कितने लोग हैं? 3. कितने में से? Out of 30 students. Total students are given to be 30. नहीं दे रखा होता तो हम यहाँ से प्लस कर सकते थे. 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 and 9, 18, 18 and plus 12 is 30. So what is the probability that the blood group is AB? 3 out of 30, that is equal to 1/10. So we have completed the text exercise. Hope you have understood. Completed your notebook and we will be sharing the assignment with you. Try assignment. There are some different kind of questions. If it is given more than, less than, at most, at least, this kind of questions will be discussed with you. And of course, questions related to playing cards are left. We will be sharing some questions like that. So keep learning and be sincere. Good day.